Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning, everyone. Look at my pumpkin. I haven't finished it. Remember? I did the purple paint on it. Look, it happens when you put orange over purple. Like I'm learning color theory in doing this pumpkin. Definitely covered the black face, but now I've got to finish painting this up and then paint the bottom. I like the latex I used on it. Looks like a real pumpkin. Gonna have to get a green stem on it, but looks real. Looks real. It even looks real with the green streaks, but not this much. You know what I mean? Like the pumpkin hasn't quite ripened. So that's got to get done today. Otherwise, it's never going to go in the sale this month. And then I'm going to hold on to it for another year. And I'm going to be so mad at myself. Because I'm going to be like, really? In a whole nother year? And the table's in. That's in. And then I have 3 other projects that I'm going to do as separate videos that I might have to start little pieces on and then wait. Start, wait, and then you know, life. Woke up with a wicked sore throat, not sure if it's fall. Fall came back with a vengeance, so I'm in a sweatshirt. A Happy Duncan sweatshirt. We have sweatshirts. So I've got my sweatshirt on because fall is here. So I don't know if it's my allergies for fall that are kicking up or if I'm sick. Really hoping I'm not sick. So, I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm going to do the pumpkin today. That's going to be my project for today for you guys. And then while that's drying, I'm going to start some other projects. But I got to figure out how I'm going to dry it because I need to flip it upside down and paint the side. So I need to put it in a cup or something, right? Gotta have a cup of some kind. Life is tough when you gotta figure this stuff out, but I really like this pumpkin. I really like the pumpkin. Gotta cover that green though. And it's a little streaky from the last time I did it. Water evaporated in my brushes. Oops. I'm gonna go clean those. Okay, I got my brushes all cleaned up. Got my orange paint here. I picked this orange paint up off of the Oops rack. And at the time, I had nothing to paint orange. But what I was thinking was, there's gonna be something. And I was right, it's pumpkin day. Because who buys orange, right? Did somebody really think they were going to paint their walls this color? No. That's why they returned it. Because it was mixed up and they went, oh, it's really ugly, right? Like, who's painting their walls orange? Oh, it's still not covering. Maybe that's the problem with this paint. It wasn't covering anything. Darkens a lot when it dries, so you can see it's the same paint. Paint always darkens when it dries, but people just don't get that. So they think that what they see in the can is the color they're going to get. It is not. It is not the color you're going to get. You are going to get a deeper orange or red or blue, whatever color you're using. So there's my little teaching moment. Paint always dries darker. And no matter how many times you tell some people that, they're like, it's not the right color when they look at it in the can and you're like, it's not the color that you're seeing. I'd be so happy to get this pumpkin out of here. and start on about 100 other projects. So we've got coming up the candles in the tin. That girl was not at Junk Bonanza, so my guess is she didn't make it through the pandemic. The customer I've been buying tins for is not there. So they bought tins from me in the past, and then they stopped responding to my emails, and I was like, okay, what's going on? And I was like, okay, I'll make my own. It kind of probably is a hard road to go when you're doing something that specific. You know what I mean? So people that are using vintage pieces to make things like candles or things like that, you better hope you can do them in bulk and sell them really cheap online. Otherwise, it's kind of a specific thing. Hard sell. That was the one thing at Junk Bonanza that I question whether or not some people made enough money. Like, some of the things that I saw, I was going, After a certain amount of time, you come to Junk Bonanza so many times and you see that same vendor doing the same exact thing over and over and over again. Do you think they run out of people? Like, hasn't everybody already bought that? That's probably like my way of thinking is anybody who wanted that probably already bought it. Ooh. Ooh. I'm not gonna sit on the cup. No, stay. Stay. Not gonna sit. Stay. Oh my God, now I've got orange all over everything. What am I gonna do? Oot. Oh no. Now it's wet. I just got my fingerprints on it. They'll find me with those. I mean, darn it. I smeared a bunch of paint over here. Let's fill that in. I'm smearing it because I know I was touching it all over the place. Dang it. First of all, don't touch anything you don't want orange. Number one thought. Don't touch anything I don't want orange. Second of all, oh my God, what am I gonna do? I cannot sit here and hold this all day. That is not what it is. Let's get that out of the way. Oh my God, there's paint everywhere. Welcome back. Oh my God, I don't know what I'm doing. The channel name. Oh my God, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, you can feel the paint drying on my hands. What am I gonna do? What am I going to do? The stool might work. 1 second. Okay, so the stool that has a hole in the middle for carrying. We have a solution. I'm gonna deal with this situation. Hang on. Clean hands. Okay, so now I can kind of move on. So the little Frenchy table back here has nothing wrong with it. So of course I'm gonna paint it. There's no absolute reason to paint it, so I'm going to. Which, I don't know. Makes me wonder if it's going to be more of a problem than it's worth. Well, it has orange paint on it now, so I kind of have to do something. I'm going to go quite basic on it. White. I'm so sick of painting things white. I haven't done it in a long time, and I'm already sick of it. Anyway. Don't wanna. Oh, I want to do something wild and crazy and bright colors. And guess what? You can't. Because it won't sell. And then when it does sell, it'll be sold for a third of what it should have been sold for. And I'll be pissed. Marble Island. He's going to give that away. I'm doing a giveaway. So I've been waiting forever to do the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. I haven't done it yet. I'm like a horrible person. I don't mean to be a horrible person. It's just, my lack of organization of any sort. Case in point. And I keep thinking, oh yeah, I'm going to do it. So I'm going to do it. I got to do it. I'm going to give away paint, junk and survival kits, 2 of them. I'm going to give away a $100 Target gift card because I promised that. And I don't know. We'll see. But there'll be a separate video for that. So I'm going to do a separate video once all the stuff arrives, because I did order a few things from my merch store to give away as well. And I want to make sure that they're here before I do the actual announcing of who's going to win what and all that good stuff, because I don't want to have to do the announcement and then go, I don't actually have any of your stuff yet, so I'm going to wait till it shows up before I ship it to you, and I'm terrible. So we're not going to do that. It's going to get here, and then we're going to do it. So there you go. Well, this is unexpected. So Victoria was asked to babysit all day, dog sit actually, all day. From 8 until 4:30. They don't have any food. She texts me, can you DoorDash me some food? Wait, so they're paying you to watch their dog all day. And I gotta spend $50 on DoorDash? No, I'll bring you some food. So I've had to pack a little lunch. Guys, if you're hiring a babysitter, make sure they have snacks. Okay, I fed my child. It's time to go home. Get back to work. Yeah, I got a dye bath going. See that hot mess back there? That's a project video. That's coming up probably tomorrow. Maybe I'll save them for Picket. Because when I'm working Picket, you guys, that's just so boring for you. Here's me driving to Picket. Here's me driving back from Picket. Here's me driving to Picket. Oh, wait, I drove back from Picket. So I was going to start painting that table, but now I've got the dye bath going, and that's got to wait for like an hour. Who knew? It takes an hour. I mean, probably the people that read the directions, Stacy, but not me. Directions. What are those for? Anyway. Oh, I gotta get started on some Christmas crafts, and that pumpkin's still not all orange. I'll figure out what I'm gonna do here. I gotta do something. I got a Halloween craft I gotta do. I have a skull up there. I'm gonna go find a skull. I knew I had picked up a bunch of skulls. There might be another one up there. This thing is dirty. It's been around for a couple years. I was gonna do crafts with them a couple years ago, and I never got around to it. Ran out of time. So, this is the year. Skeletor is getting done. So remember the hat that I picked up? He's gonna wear it. Because that hat's very feminine. It's a feminine hat. I gotta clean it off though, so I can do my project. This is happening. But before I do, let's get another coat of that orange on there. Come here, pumpkin. Well, pumpkin. Oh, well, pumpkin. Okay, so I've been doing stuff. Yeah, sidetracked again. I finished a project video, though. You guys will be seeing that coming up. The pumpkin is not finished. After all that complaining about, I'm going to get another coat on there. Hang on. And it's getting harder and harder to see where the green is. So I think maybe one more coat. It always seems to look brighter, like I can see the green when it's wet, and then when it dries, not so much. Can't see the face anymore. Hey, I'll just put that part towards the wall. I gotta do this part green too. But then I want to get that into Picket this month because otherwise it's Christmas kickoff next month. I'm so not ready for Christmas kickoff. I haven't done any Christmas craft. You guys, none. Unless you count the Bloom in the Black challenge where I did the reindeer ornaments. I've done 0 Christmas crafts. We're in trouble. We're in trouble. I'm behind officially. I wanted to do so many cute things. I had gotten the little sandbachel shells or little tartlet cups from a friend of mine. And I thought, oh, those will make cute little ornaments. And I've seen them done with glitter and vintage stuff in them. And I think those look so cute. Little vintage earrings in them and broken earrings and things like that. And I'm like, I'll do that. I haven't done any of that. I think I'm going to do great when I do that. Like, I think I'm going to get ahead. And I'm going to, like the 100 Project, 100 Days challenge that was in January. It's almost January again. Didn't that just end? Did we just do that? I got to get back to some furniture for sure. I have that chair. Not the one I just picked up, but the one that I got for free off the side of the road. Dying to do it. I'm dying to do it. But I got to find the fabric. I gotta pick the right fabric. It's not speaking to me yet. It's a pumpkin. I'm working on a pumpkin today.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.